Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm here with the Jeep Compass 2016 again. We're having some issues again with the vehicle. The car's about 8 years old, so let's give it some tender love and care. It's been a little while. So a couple things we're going to be doing for the Jeep Compass is we're going to be changing out the oxygen sensors. We're going to be changing out the 4 spark plugs. I'm going with Champion this time only because they had a good sale going on. We're changing the brakes, the rotors. We're doing an oil change. It's been a while. The car's sat for a little bit, and just basically gonna give it a nice little tune-up and see that see what happens next. I'll get back with you. Okay guys, so we've got, I'm sorry I didn't get to show you guys the part of putting these spark plugs in, but basically when you get a spark plug socket, you get these in AutoZone or Advanced Auto Parts, and it's a 5/8. You want to drop it in there straight as possible, and you want to make sure it's about at least 99% straight, so you don't cross thread anything. And then you want to start off very slow, holding your ratchet set extremely straight as possible, until you're nice and snug, and then you want to torque it. Make sure you torque it to that, all 4 of them, and then you want to go ahead and put your ignition coils on top, and then you want to put your torque screw, which is going to be a T30. Right, this is the type of socket you're going to need for this specific bolt. And then you also want to torque these and tighten them. I'll get back with you once I'm done tightening all these up and buttoning everything. Okay guys, so I went ahead and installed all 4 of the spark plugs, and make sure your connections are all nice and tight. Make sure they're all snugged in there, and that's pretty much it. Next thing I'm going to be doing is change out my oxygen sensor in the next video. If you want to stay tuned for that, please like, comment, and subscribe on what you want to see next on this vehicle. There's a couple things that needs to be done on it. I'll record it for you guys so you guys can see, for those of you guys having vehicle. Thank you everyone for watching. I appreciate it. Again, I know you guys probably saw somewhere around the video where I mentioned torquing the spark plugs. So you want to torque that somewhere around 11 foot-pounds and 20 foot-pounds. That's the range. I typically do 20 foot-pounds and call it a day. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. If you're here and you made it this far, you're super appreciated. I thank you so much for the engagement, and I look forward on posting more videos for you guys. Again, this was a channel I started to help the community, people around me and people all around the world to save money. I have been blessed with the skills of being mechanically inclined, so you know, I want to go ahead and pass those skills and knowledge on to you guys. But I ask that you guys in return, just please continue liking, commenting, subscribing. And if you know anyone that can benefit from my videos, your mom, your cousin, your sisters, your neighbors, please send over the link. And again, that helps the channel grow. I'm going to be giving my 250 subscriber and my 500 subscriber a prize. So it could be anyone. Are you going to be the 250th? Or are you going to be the 500 subscriber? We're going to give you guys an awesome gift. You guys won't forget us. And again, I appreciate every single one of you guys from the bottom of my heart. Again, continue to engage on the channel. Comment down below, what is it that you guys want to see next? What type of builds do you guys want to see? Do you guys want to see oil changes? Whatever it is that you guys want to see, we'll put it on the channel. But we want to hear from you. You guys are my audience, and I want to make sure that my audience has what they want to watch and what they want to learn. So put down in the comment below exactly what it is that you want to see. And until next time, family, let's continue to save money together. And until next time, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.